everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since I've uploaded anything. As you know, if you've been watching previously, I've been trying to hand paint the van outside, and obviously this time of year, January, wasn't my best idea. The rain ruined one side of the van that I'd done. I've since rubbed that down, and I've got Neville in the unit. I have done a bit, I've done bodywork, repairs, I've done any dents that are in there, I've rubbed down, filled, any rust I've treated. There wasn't a great deal of rust, but I've treated all that anyway. Yeah, and he's basically, I'm in the unit today, as we can see. There he is. And yeah, we're going to get some paint on him today, and fingers crossed, hopefully it goes well. I'm not a sprayer, I've not really done it before. I have done the bonnet and the bumper, the bits that I could take off I've done in the driveway at home, and they've turned out okay. Can't really see that at the moment because it's wrapped up with plastic, but let's flip that around. But yeah, so that's how he sort of stands at the moment. Excuse the noise, we've got people next door, both sides in the unit, so that's the side that I previously hand painted with the rollers and everything. It didn't turn out very well, so that's all been rubbed down and ready to go. So I'm just going to finish with the tape and get everything taped up and done, and then I'll get some paint on. So yeah, let's flip over to a time lapse. Right, Neville is all taped up and ready to go. Wiped down with spirits, tacked off everything. I've got my paint mixed up, so literally ready to go. So I look like a white Teletubby with my suit on. But right, let's get some paint on. Right, okay, that's me now done for the day. Everything's sprayed, got everything untaped. Still a few little stubborn bits of tape I need to take off, but I'm going to leave that till it's completely dry. I'll leave it overnight tonight, untape the roof and everything. But yeah, I am actually really chuffed with how this has turned out. Better than I expected. Right, let's have a look. There we go. It's got new badges front grille, new honeycomb lower grille as well, gloss because I had the matte ones on there. But yeah, I am really chuffed with that. I am very chuffed with how that's come out. So I've got things like black indicators to go on. I've got some, I've taken the bars off that were on the side, and I've got some side steps, some gloss black side steps to go on. Carbon fibre door handles to go on as well, so them door handles will come off and I'll put the carbon fibre ones on. That's not overspray on the wheel, by the way. That is filler dust from when I didn't wipe it off. But yeah, got a new carbon fibre badge to go on the back, a new carbon fibre handle for the back there, black lights for the top here, black lights for the bottom. I've got to get some new parking sensors right to go on there, and I've got carbon fibre spoiler bits to go on there as well. But yeah, I am really, really happy with how that's turned out. I can see now why they do charge so much for resprays, because it's not an easy thing to do. But yeah, I've probably saved myself, turn that around, I'll probably save myself £4.5 grand doing it myself. It's not perfect, obviously, you know, I'm not a sprayer, but it's enough for me. And it is still sprayed with the same high build epoxy primer. So if I did want to get it professionally resprayed at some point, all that will have to happen is that can be flattered down, sanded down flat, and then sprayed straight over the top. But I'm happy enough with that. I'm really, really happy with that. Right, I'm going to sign off. Thanks everybody for watching. I'll obviously update when it's all dried off and I've got everything back together. And yeah, I'm knackered.